right, now, as you are aware, guys, time is winding down. All right, we may have a little bit of something next week as far as maybe a little quiz on doing something like line of best fit, some SAT stuff, but not that much. All right, so some of you guys are borderline living on the edge. Now's your chance to make sure that you do a good job for tomorrow. All right, so please pay attention. Let's get this thing taken care of. All right, writing the equation, the lines. I already wrote the test. There's like 3 SAT questions, and then the rest of them are just writing the equations, just like this, exactly the same. All right, in the same exact format. All right, so please speak up if you're not sure. Come on, let's go. What's the matter? Anybody else need a worksheet? What? Yeah, that's if you've done it enough, you should be fine. All right, if you've done enough, you should be fine. All right, here, take this homework. There you go. All right. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's what we're doing, all of them. All right, that's what I'm saying. I'm not kidding. All right, I don't want any distractions. I want you to get your hand up as soon as you need to. All right, we're going to do all 22 or whatever there are on here. I can do that. All right, but you have to stay focused. All right, so here we go. Number 1 should be super simple, the easiest one we can do. Jack, do you know? Say it again, I'm sorry. Y
minus 5 is equal to 2 over 3.
Perfect. That's exactly correct. All right, that's it.
Is that it?
That's it. I'm telling you, that's it. We're writing it in point slope form. That's why you have to be familiar. Every question will tell you what type of form, and then you just have to write it in that form. The most important thing is to remember you need a point and a slope. If you have a point and a slope, you can write the equation. Simple as that. All right? Now we're writing in what? Slope-intercept form. So above that, you should be writing y equals mx plus b if you forgot. All right? Jack, you're up. Not yet. You have a point and you have a slope. Come on. So you have to write it in point slope form first. What is it going to be? Jack, I'm worried about you now. All right? Real worried. So you got to be with me now. All right, I just did number 1. You should have said, you raised your hand if you didn't know how to do it. All right? So here we go. You ready? Listen to me now. It's from the equation y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That's how we're starting this. You agree with this? Now you're just plugging in for x and y and m. So it'd be y minus negative 4, which makes it just what? Plus 4. All right? So y plus 4 equals, the slope is negative 2, parentheses, x minus 7. Do you understand that now? What, Noah? Good. Yeah, we do. Absolutely. Because I'm going to write it in y equals mx plus b form. I got to put it in point slope form first. Then after I put it in point slope, I'm going to convert it over to y equals mx plus b. Jack, you understand that? All right. Now I have to distribute. Y plus 4 equals negative 2x plus 14. Now I subtract 4. Y equals negative 2x plus 10. Noah, now do you see it's in the right form? It's in the right form. I subtracted 4 from both sides. What? Good. Come on. You got it? Come on. Slope-intercept form. Yeah. We're starting out in point slope form for all of them. What?
So you always take this, like 4, say, it's on the y side, and move it over to the other side, subtract from the one.
Yeah, because I'm isolating the y.
Okay.
All right, I'm isolating the y.
But you'll never do anything to like the -2x.
I don't know. I'm solving for y. I'm solving for y. I'm getting y by itself. Try not to worry about the absolutes. Just solve for y. Y equals. We're always doing that. All right, I'm going to do it about 10 more times. So you'll see it. All right? All right, now I'm doing standard form. Whoever asked me about standard form. Okay? Start us out. Go. Yes, standard form. AX plus BY equals C. What am I doing first? Guys, every time it's the same. I need a point and I need a slope. You with me? I always start out in what form, Noah? Point, slope, and then I move to standard. You hear me? So now write it for me. Go. Come on, I'm doing just what I did in problem. Yeah. Good. Come on. Good. Anybody have any issues with that so far? Now we're going in standard form. So go ahead and distribute for me. Go. Good. Okay. Now what do I need to do? That's right. So what happens? Right. That's it. You doing okay? What about you, Nick? Go.
What's the second?
How did I do that?
Yeah, what? Like,
I
what
just
form
distributed
is
the,
that?
well, normally that's not really a form. But it just so happens because the y value was 0, it kind of canceled out. Right? I'm trying to get it into standard form, which is the x and y on the same side of the equation. Standard form is when x, y is on the same side of the equation. What? I don't care what. Go, somebody.
So the y doesn't. The y can be negative.
The y can be negative. What?
When you flip thing, you always have to change the sign.
Right, because I moved the 6x over. So I did plus 6x plus 6x. Jack, go.
So you always start at first slope form?
Yeah, point slope form is the easiest form. All right, if you have a point, you have a slope, you can write the equation.
Even for slope intercept too?
Yeah, because you don't always have the y-intercept. Okay? All right, keep going. We got lots to do. Here we go. So we're going to look at number 4. All right, now what's the problem number 4, Hubble? You have 2 points, so I have to find the what? You have to find the slope. You have to find the slope because it's a rare time that we don't have the slope. So to find the slope, we have to go m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So now 10 minus 7 over negative 1 minus 6. 3 over negative 7, which I just call negative 3, 7. Is everybody okay with that? Right? Now I need some help with the equation. Ian, go.
So you do y plus...
You guys.
Is it y plus 7?
Y minus 7. Because remember, it's always this format. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1.
So you always start with the first.
You have to pick a point. You either want this point or this point. So I'm saying, right? So now continue on.
Minus 7 is equal to negative 3 over 7 times x plus no minuses.
Right. Come on. Speak up. Are you okay with that or not?
I did one.
Okay, so you did this point right here. So then if you did that point, you would have written y minus 10 equals negative 3/7 times x plus 1. Those are your two possibilities. Right? Because we're writing in what? We're writing in point slope form. We're writing in point slope form. What?
For the next step would you
No, that's it. That's the last step.
okay.
Yeah, because it says point slope form. What?
So sometimes like it will say like 3x minus 3y. When you
We're
take-
getting to those. We're getting to them.
Like when it says minus like 3y, do you make the 3y negative?
It depends. That's what I'm saying. Let me get there. All right. My job is to make sure everybody's good with number 4. That's the only thing I care about right now. Number 4. Everybody good on 4? All right. Now let's knock out 5. Again, the same problem. I need a what first? I need a slope. So everybody's going to find the slope. So here we go. Chloe, go quickly.
M equals 13 minus 7 over 5 minus 3 equals 6 over 2, which equals 3.
Beautiful. Okay. So now, point slope form.
Then you do y minus 7 equals 3 times x minus 3.
Now we're not done. That's point slope. That's point slope. I need it in what? Slope intercept. Go.
And then you do y minus 4 equals 3x minus 6.
Three.
And then that
3. Whoa. You somehow gave me a 4. It's a 7. And then when you distribute a 3, it's 3x what?
3x minus
Minus what?
9.
All right, now what?
And now it's y equals
Right.
3x minus 60.
Negative 9 plus 7.
Oh, you're adding 7. Negative 2.
Wow, that was pretty smooth there, girl. That was your best one ever. 20 mistakes later. Okay, it's 3x minus 2. Everybody okay? Noah, come on. I appreciate you getting involved. Is that good for you?
Oh, yeah, I want to.
Okay, I'm glad. All right, I'll let you do number 6. All right, now again, girls up front, any problems? Any problems? Any problems? Math problems, let's go. What are you, math problem? You got it? Okay, here we go. Number 6, go, Noah.
So you find the slope.
Yep,
It would be negative 1 plus 4.
okay.
And then on the bottom it would be negative 1 minus 1.
No, it'd be,
Negative 1 minus 1.
now look, you went from here to here, so I have to go from here to here.
Oh, yeah.
So it'd be 1 plus 1.
Alright, and then there would be 3 over 2.
Okay, now write the equation. Let's go. Chop, chop.
So it would be y minus or plus 1 equals 3. Yeah, and then the parentheses x minus 2 or x minus negative 1
What's the x value?
plus 1 or plus negative 1.
Well, we just say minus 1, Noah. Right? And I want standard form. So I'm allowed fractions in standard form. So what do I have to do?
You put the bracket.
Yes. And do what? You'd multiply by the denominator, which is 2.
Okay.
You're multiplying by 2 to get rid of the dividing by 2. Am I right over there? Come on, Jack. I mean it now. I'm not sure what you're doing. Are you working with me? Making sure you got it right. I want a good grade tomorrow. Seems like you're a little relaxed back there. Let him knock this out. Go, Noah, what? And I'll answer you.
y2 plus 2 equals
This times that, 2y plus 2 equals,
2x.
no, then I'm crossing this 2 out. And you distribute the 3. 3x minus 3.
Oh,
Come on now, that's the hard part. That's the hard part. Speak up, quick.
so
I'm not done, I'm just saying that's
Yeah.
what I did.
But is standard form the only form that you're not letting?
That's right, we summarized that very nicely. Standard form is the only one that's no fractions.
Could you do it at the end of the problem?
Yes, you can do it at the end of the problem. All right? Now I need x and y on the same side, so what am I going to do?
You're gonna have to subtract 3x.
Good, subtract 3x. And also,
The 2.
right, subtracting 2.
Yeah.
So that gives me,
2y or a negative 3x minus or plus 2y equals negative 5.
good. Now you're allowed to have a negative x.
No.
So change all signs. When I do that, it becomes
3x plus negative 2 equals 5.
3x minus 2y equals 5. Good? Hey, boys in the back, how we doing in the back? Go.
I'm just not clear about how when you distribute, why wouldn't you do negative 3 and then times 2?
Why do you want to do negative 3? I don't understand
I
that.
just don't understand.
I'm just distributing a 3. 3 times x and 3 times negative 1.
So after that, so you only distribute, you only times the left side?
Well, because when I multiply 2 by the right side, this 2 and this 2 cancel out.
Oh, okay.
Always. All right, let's go. We got to do more practice. Did you do one yet? I want you to do better, so why don't you volunteer? Go. You can do the next one. Parallel means,
Do the everything with the 2.
that's right. Slope of the parallel is,
3.
good job, girl.
And
Come
then
on.
in parentheses, you do negative 7 and
All
negative
right,
1.
come on now, write it.
And then you do y plus 1 equals 3. Then parentheses x plus 7.
Wow, nice, nice. Hold up, hold up. What form?
Oh, point slope.
So we're done. Look at that. Point slope form. We're done. Point slope form. Right? You good? What? Come on, Jack.
So wait, how did you get? Oh, you just switch it because it's negative, and that's why it's positive.
Now you're getting it after 7. Right? And look, I'm not giving you a hard time on that. I'm just saying, yes, every time, because in the formula it's what? Y minus y1. So the subtraction or the minus means change the sign.
But why do you do the first? Why do you do the end?
This,
Yeah.
that means parallel. The slope of the parallel line is the same as this slope.
No. Why do you do the 3? How did you get the 3?
I'm showing you the 3 came from this line right here.
Ah.
We're finding a line that's parallel to this line.
Okay.
Parallel lines have the same slope.
Okay, so the 3's.
All right, come on now. Come on, you got this now. Good. Come on now. Go.
I have the same question.
Good, come on.
Like, how did you get
From this equation, we're doing parallel. Parallel means the slope is the same. In a minute, we're going to do perpendicular. You need the negative reciprocal for perpendicular. Parallel, you have the same slope. Come on. Good. No, Ian, and then you. All right? Someone else get involved, please. All right? Aiden, where are you at? Do you know what you're doing? Come on, now it's not time to be funny and messing around. We got a test tomorrow. You got a good grade. I don't want to blow it here in the last test. Go.
So you do m equals
Good. M equals what?
or negative 2.
Thank you. Slope of the parallel line is negative 2, passing through the point 5, negative 3. Come on now, write it quickly.
So y plus plus 3
Good.
equals negative 2
Good.
times x minus 5.
Yes. Now we want slope intercept. That means y equals.
Distribute.
Yes. Good. Come on, tell me.
So y plus 3 equals negative 2x plus 10.
And now what?
Would you add the 2x?
Slope intercept, remember, y equals mx plus b. The y's got to...
So minus 3.
Yes. Y equals.
Y equals negative 2x plus 7.
Practice. 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 Who's next? Go. Come on.
You would do m in this line is equal to 3/5 0 1. And then you do y plus 1 is equal to 3/5 x plus 0.
Yeah, so we can just write it as 3/5 x, right?
Then you distribute
Now, there's nothing really to distribute, right?
because it'd be y1
Yes. Now we're doing standard form, so I need x and y on the same side. So what do you want to do? Do you want to get rid of the fraction first? Or you want to put x and y on the same side? So what am I going to do?
you put the 1 on the same side because don't you isolate y?
No, not for standard form. Standard form is ax plus by equals c. So x and y go on the same side.
So you put the x and y.
So I could move the y over, right? If I move the y over, it's going to be 1 equals 3/5 x minus, not 1. Oh, yeah. Minus y, sorry. You see that so far? Am I allowed to have fractions?
No.
So I need to multiply everything through by?
Or
No,
the denominator.
which is?
5.
Come on, Jack. Good concentration. Multiply that by 5, please.
5, everything like that? Would be 5 is equal to 15. Oh, you divide. 5.
No, don't say what. You're multiplying each one by 5. Now you have to put 3x minus 5y equals 5 because that goes first. Okay, Noah, good for you.
So if I were to do the fraction first,
It would be the same answer.
oh,
It would be the same answer. Chloe, come on.
I don't know what I did wrong, but I got 3x minus 5y.
Well, what am I mean, there's the steps right there, kiddo. So you find where you're different. You see what I'm saying, right? I don't know how you're getting 8 from 1 times 5. Come on now, girl. You're concentrating. You got to help me. Do you understand this step right here? Hey.
I don't know.
Okay, good. Good, good. All right, Carter. Let's go. Number 10. Now, what's the problem with number 10? I don't know what the slope is because this is not in the right format. So I have to solve that for y first. I got to solve that for y first, which means I have to move over the what? Yes. So you're supposed to tell me 2y. Now what? Good. Beautiful. Come on, keep up with me. So now, what's the slope of the parallel line, Carter?
So it would be negative. Oh no, yeah, negative 3/2.
Passing through.
4 and negative 3.
Write the equation.
So it would be y minus or plus 3 equals negative 3 over 2x times x minus 4.
Wow, feels good. Is that the right form?
No, yeah.
Yes, because it says point slope. I'm asking again. How's everybody doing? You all right with this? All right, we're getting lots of practice in. Let's go. You should be getting a little better, even if you're a little rusty. All right, you should be getting a little better every time we do a problem. Come on now. No? Good, Jack.
Why would you have the
Because it's asking for the parallel line. We're trying to do the parallel. Slopes of parallel lines are equal. So I had to find the slope of this line. You hear me? And that's -3/2, which means it's the same as this one over here. Agree or disagree? Okay, good. Carly? What do I have to do on number 11? Let's go. Chop, chop. -3x. Good job, girl. Now what? Divide by -5. Divide by -5. Slope of the parallel is 3/5. Passing through. Come on, girl. Write the equation. Chop, chop. Wow, good job. Now what kind of form? That is correct. So I just have to do what to the 3/5? Yes, just distributing. We don't need to get rid of a fraction for slope intercept. I'll let you ask me in a minute. You okay with that, right? And now what do I have to do? Yes, subtract 6. -6. So y equals, if you need to use your calculator, -3/5 minus 6. Math, enter, enter, and that'll tell you what the fraction is. Quickly, please. Math, enter, enter. There you go. Good job. Now you know how to use your calculator. Good for you. What? Yeah, I sure can. What's 1 times 3/5? 3/5. That's right. Hello? All right. Go. I'm listening. Come on, chop, 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 chop. In a minute, we're gonna have a little interruption, guys. I gotta stay focused, okay? Go. 3/5 times what?
Times 2.
Yeah, then it would be 6/5. 3 times 2 is 6. 6/5. Right? What?
How did you get 32?
I used my calculator. -3/5 minus 6.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay. Sure.
I already missed us. We're back.
Very much. Good to see you guys.
Good to see you. You missed me.
Come on, let's reminisce here. Look at the fun.
Well, what are we doing in here?
I'm
Yeah,
doing
writing
this.
equations.
My math class. Sorry.
I know, they don't realize it. All right, Buchanan, you're out. Let's go, chop, chop. Here we go.
You had to find the slope. No, when you divided
Divided by -5.
at the beginning.
What, I'm not sure what you're telling me.
You know what you did at the beginning. Like that much.
This right here is the slope, right?
I thought you had to do like y.
So this is parallel. So that's why it's 3/5. Come on, come on, come on. Tell me what you're thinking. Let's go, chop, chop. I gotta get-
Solve for slope, you had to do like y minus y1 over.
Yeah, but we already have this. We don't have 2 points. All we have to do is look at here and find the slope. You get the slope from the line. Hey, that's a good question. Listen, sometimes you get the slope from 2 points, and sometimes you get the slope from the actual what? Equation of the line. Is everybody with me? Here, they don't give us 2 points. They give us a what? A line, so I can grab the slope right from the line. Yes or no? All right. So everybody good now? Everybody understand the fraction? Good? All right, we got to get to the perpendicular stuff. Let's go. All right, over here, standard form. All right. Someone else? Good. Go. Quickly, let's go. Chop, chop. We're wasting time.
Okay. So
So I got to find the slope. Oh, by the way, sorry. I can see this right here is equal sign. Sorry. That's why you're... There you go. Take care. I'm going to see you guys out now.
You guys make sure
Better
to
do a
pay
good
attention.
job.
This is important.
All right, here we go. Go. 5x minus y equals 7. 5x minus y equals 7. So I need the slope. Move that over. So 5x equals 7 plus y. Now move the 7 over. So y equals 5x minus 7. Wow, man. Come on. What's wrong? Is that good for you? No, come on now. Are you good or not?
No, I looked.
Right? You good on that? You have to put it in y equals mx plus b, which just means you have to get y by itself. Do you hear me now? I haven't even begun to write the equation yet. The first thing I have to do is get it in this format because I need the what? I need the slope. Agreed? I need the slope. So what is the slope? 5. So the slope of the parallel line is equal to 5. Yes or no? Everybody good on that? All right. So now I'm passing through the point 2 comma negative 5. Who was struggling? Okay, go. Tell me, write the equation. Let's go. Let's see if you got that part. Yes, just retell me the answer. Y plus 5 equals 5 times x minus 2. I mean, honestly, this is the 12th time I'm doing it now. Okay, that's fine. Look up there and at least agree with me that that's correct. I'm doing it right. Okay, anybody else? I'm not understanding some of you guys. What? I'm not understanding why you're asking me that. This is the equation. This is what I'm doing. I don't need to change it. What if? Negative y. That's what that means. Negative y or minus 1 in front of there. Either one, it's the same. Man. Yeah, I'm not done. Yes, we're standard form. There's no fraction, so it's easy to distribute. So it should be y plus 5 equals 5x minus 10. Is everybody good with that? You're all right, right? Okay, so now I need the x and y on the same side. I want to move this over here and this over here. The reason why I'm doing that is because I want the x value to be what? I'm trying to keep the x value positive. All right, when I do that, that becomes 5x. If I bring the y to the right side, it becomes what? Negative. Thank you. Wow, good job. And now I move the negative 10 over. If I move the negative 10 over, it becomes positive 10, which means it's going to be 15. There we go. So now I have 5x minus y equals 15. Come on, you should be getting a little bit better every time, a little bit better every time. Like I said, Aiden, I haven't had a word out of you today. I'm a little nervous about you tomorrow now. What? That's already on. It's already posted and all the answers are there. Now I got to do perpendicular. Uh-oh, good. Both of you guys, what? You want to do the next one? What did you want? Okay, I'll let you do 14. You're up. 13. Go. The slope of the perpendicular is what? You right? Is that right? Come on. Negative 4 over 3. Now write the equation. Look how simple this is. Go. You are amazing. Thank you. Aiden, are you good with that? Good? You catching on, right? Jack in the back. What about you? Come on, speak up then. We're doing perpendicular now. Remember, perpendicular is the negative reciprocal. Yes, perpendicular is different from parallel. All right, go. Aiden, good for you, buddy. What's the slope of the perpendicular, please?
3 over 1.
Yeah, we can just say 3, right? Good. Now, come on, let's get this right. What is it?
Y plus 3.
Wow, I'm happy with you now. Okay. Now I need to convert it to slope intercept. So I need to do what? Yes, good. Okay. Y plus 3 equals, tell me. I'm distributing.
I don't know why.
I don't know why you did that either. Come on, distribute. Tell me what that is.
3x minus 15.
Good. Final answer.
3x, negative 3x plus y.
No. Listen to me now. You're making a mistake. I want it.
It's y equals x.
Yes, y equals mx plus b. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Highlight what you're supposed to be formed.
Oh, so it's just y equals 3x minus 18.
Okay, Leighton, you haven't said much either. All right, come on now. Get in the game. Go. What's the slope of the perpendicular?
Okay. Slope is 7 over 4.
Close.
Negative 7. Yeah, negative 7.
Yes, sir. What point?
It's
Just put your eyes up on the board. You don't need to write this down. Put it up here on the board and tell me. You're smart enough to do that.
0, negative 1.
Good. Now write the equation.
So y plus 1 equals 7 over negative 7 over 4x.
Just like that. Negative 7 fourths x. Because we can say x minus 0. Does everybody agree? We can say x minus 0, but it's not necessary. Anybody have any issues with that? Okay. I'm in standard form, so what do I do?
Standard form, so you do subtract 1.
Yes. And also,
So
I want x and y on the same side. Get your eyes up and tell me what to do.
So you would remove it over.
Yes. So it add 7 fourths x. Add 7 fourths x. So now that equation is
7 over 4x plus.
so now what do I have to do? No fractions allowed.
Oh yeah, no fractions. So then you would multiply by 4.
Multiply by 4. So final answer.
Final answer would be
Say, come on. Come on, Leighton. You're making me a little nervous now. You gonna be ready tomorrow or not?
Yeah.
All right. Anybody have any questions with that? Good. What?
Would it be minus?
That would make me wrong, right? And that just doesn't happen. It just doesn't happen. So that's correct. You all know it's been a long time. Never see me wrong, ever. Is everybody good with that? Noah, do you understand why it is? What? What? No. No, I want someone else.
I have a question.
Okay, quickly, come on.
So you only distribute, so because you didn't distribute for one or just memory, so confusing. So you only don't distribute the 4 if it was 3 or if.
You only don't distribute. That's what you just asked me.
Like,
I don't even know what that means. You only don't distribute.
never mind. It makes sense.
Yeah. You only don't distribute.
Today's been a long day.
I know. Look, you're not allowed to have fractions, so you would multiply everything through by 4.
Yeah, I get that part.
All right. I mean, I'm trying. You understand that? Listen to me. I don't want you to think I'm giving you a hard time because I care about your grade. But I didn't understand that one bit. Not one. That's okay. But I want you to do well. So you gotta help me,
Yeah, I get it.
right? Helping you in your head. It's not easy for me to do. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. All right, here we go. Point slope form. I still want perpendicular. So, Hubble, do I have anything to worry about for you back there? Or you still gonna make an A tomorrow? You better. I haven't heard from you. Let's go. Come on. What's the slope of this line?
Negative 1.
Yeah, so you move, no. Slope of the perpendicular is what? What is
Positive.
positive? Because remember, it's got to be in the right form, right? Do you agree with me? It's not in the right form, so you got to put it in the right form. Now write my equation, please.
Y minus 0 equals 1/3 times x minus.
Wow, nice. And we're done, guys. Come on, that's not hard. We're done. Does that make sense in your mind?
Oh, yeah.
Noah, that makes sense in your mind? All right, here we go. Does everybody see the problem we have for number 17? You got to put it in the right format. Y equals mx plus b to find the slope first. Now, does everybody agree the y is negative? So I like to push it over to the other side so I don't have to worry about the negative. So x equals 5y plus 10. X minus 10 equals 5y. Divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. Y equals 1/5 x minus 2. Is that correct? So tell me, what's the slope of the perpendicular? And let's try to do better than the last time.
I was trying to
With
review
what?
myself.
Come on, tell me.
It's negative.
Hey, listen, do we have 10 minutes or 7 minutes between our next class?
Yeah, and we have camera prep.
Are you going PE right now?
Yeah, but we have to practice.
Okay, so let's go. So slope of the perpendicular is -5 through the point 42. I'm ready. Go.
Okay. Y minus 2 equals -5 times x minus 4.
Beautiful.
And then y minus 2 equals -5x plus 20.
Good. Now what? Come on, get it right.
And then y equals -5x plus 22.
Okay, now I need you guys to hear me. The next one is posted, but I want to get to this real quick. Hold up. I got 4 problems that'll take me 2 minutes. 4 problems will take me 2 minutes. All right, I think it's good to review. All right, 2 problems on the test from here. Super simple. Get 2 easy ones. All right, I want something parallel to x equals 3. X equals 3 is a what? Vertical line. So for parallel to a vertical, we must be what? Vertical. So my answer is x equals -4. Vertical lines are written as x equals. Vertical lines are written as x equals. X equals -4. Does everybody hear me? Now, number 20. I'm perpendicular to y equals -4. Y equals -4 is a horizontal line. So if I'm perpendicular to a horizontal, that will make it what? Vertical. All right? If I'm perpendicular to a horizontal, I am vertical. Because they meet at a right angle. If you're horizontal, yes. So it would be this. So I want an x equals. X equals what? -9. Beautiful. Come on, I got 21 and 22. Here we go. Say it again. Come on, come on. Because the equation here is y equals -4. So if I'm perpendicular to a horizontal line, I'm vertical. All right, here we go. Number 21. I'm drawing a parallel line. Parallel to a horizontal means I'm going to be what? Parallel to a horizontal. So y equals 7. Now I'm perpendicular to x equals 7. So x equals 7 is vertical. So that means I need a horizontal. Y equals -4. Hey, thanks for your patience, guys. Very good job. Please review. Do it again. All right? Some of you are too close to the edge. I don't want you falling.
I've been 88
Again.
I'm
This is
trying.
I have to parachute on.
Yeah, right. That's crash and burn, baby.